February 19, 2013. Security cameras captured a young woman entering an elevator alone. For 4 minutes, she pressed random buttons, talked to someone who wasn't there, then she vanished. 19 days later, guests complained the water tasted strange. What they found in the rooftop tank changed everything. This is the elevator game, an urban legend that began in Korea. Thousands have tried it. Some never came back the same. Before I tell you what happened to Elisa Lam, you need to understand the rules. Because once you know them, you'll see why her death makes no sense. The elevator game. Here's how it works. Step 1. Find a building with at least 10 floors. You must be completely alone. Step 2. Enter the elevator at midnight. Press the buttons in this exact order. 4th floor, wait, don't get out. 2nd floor, wait, don't get out. 6th floor, wait, don't get out. 2nd floor again, wait. A woman may enter. Do not look at her. Do not speak to her. 10th floor, don't get out. Press 5. Step 3. Now something strange happens. The elevator will not go to the 5th floor. Instead, it will go up to a floor that doesn't exist. If it goes down, you failed. Get out immediately. But if it goes up, you've entered another dimension. Step 4. When the doors open, the world looks the same, but it isn't. The sky is red. There are no people, just silence. You are the only living thing there. Step 5. To return, you must press the same buttons in reverse order. But beware, the woman from the 2nd floor will try to stop you. Thousands claim they've played this game. Most say it's fake, but some never came back to tell their story. January 26, 2013. Elisa Lam, a 21-year-old student from Vancouver, checks into the Cecil Hotel in Los Angeles. Room 506, 5th floor. January 31st. She's supposed to check out. She never does. Her parents report her missing. Police search everywhere. Nothing. Then they find the security footage, and everything changes. She presses every button. The doors won't close. She looks out, steps back in, presses more buttons. Elisa Lam is never seen alive again. February 19th, 19 days later. Guests complain about low water pressure. The water tastes strange, smells odd. The hatch was locked from the outside. It weighed 20 pounds. The opening was too small. How did she get in? Police examine every inch of the hotel. The rooftop door, the tanks, the cameras. Nothing makes sense. The rooftop door was locked with a code only staff knew. The alarm system was active. If she opened it, the alarm should have gone off. But it didn't. So, how did Elisa reach the roof? Who, or what, helped her? When police released the video, the internet went wild. Reddit, Tumblr, YouTube, millions watched. Millions had theories. Some said the video was edited, that someone was standing next to her, cut out of the footage. Others said it was proof of the elevator game. Her button sequence matched the exact pattern of that game. 4, 2, 6, 2, 10, 5. Could that be a coincidence? Official reports said Elisa had bipolar disorder. She took medication. Sometimes she didn't. Police said she likely suffered a psychotic episode, but questions remain. How did she open a locked door? How did she lift the heavy hatch? And why did she move like that in the elevator? No explanation fits everything. What if she actually played it? The Cecil Hotel had 14 floors. She was alone. At night. The buttons she pressed matched the ritual exactly. And the woman from the second floor? Maybe. She saw her. Maybe she entered a place she shouldn't have. Some say Elisa Lam never came back, from another dimension. Technicians said the only way up was a long metal ladder. The hatch was heavy, sealed, no signs of forced entry, no footprints, no clues. It's as if she appeared there, from nowhere. Today, the Cecil Hotel still stands.
But a few say the sky outside turns red for a second.
Elisa Lam's death is officially solved. But the truth still hides inside that elevator. Whisper. Maybe she never came back, from another dimension.